Hey, what's going on, guys? So in today's video, I am going to show you how do you fix can't follow on TikTok problem. So let's start. So first, let's go ahead and open up TikTok. Now let's look at this particular user here or this video. So if I click on this particular user here and tap on his followers. Now, if I am going to follow everyone in this list too quickly, TikTok might interpret that action as unnatural, and TikTok might think that it is a bot doing that kind of task. So TikTok is going to limit your functionality for 24 hours. However, you can follow again on the next day. So one thing to do if you can't follow on TikTok is to follow account one at a time, or do it every 1 minute or every 2 minutes. In this way, TikTok is not going to misinterpret your activities as being used by a bot. So I hope this is a helpful information for you guys. Thank you for watching, and I will see you on the next one.